Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jamie and thanks so much for stopping by. So today I wanted to do a DIY rag wreath with you guys. I got them at Walmart. They are the fabric strips, 20 piece. They look like this. They are 42 inches in length. I got 20 individual of these. They were $5.95 at Walmart. So I'm just gonna cut them down to like individual strips, cut the edges to where they look all nice and cute, and then start putting them on my Dollar Tree wreath. This is a 14-inch wreath, and we're just gonna alternate the fabrics until we get to the end. So let's start.
To have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday. It means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents. But it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day.
All right, you guys, so I'm almost halfway through. I've just alternated the 5 patterns that came with it. And it looks like this. I'm just on this little bar right here and just bringing it down. I love the colors and the patterns that came with it. Again, this fabric was already pretty much cut down to 42 inches in length, but this is what it looks like, you guys. It took me about an hour and a half to do it, I'm not gonna lie, but it was so cute and I love the fabric of it. So all of these colors, patterns were all a set. I used 150 of these on this 14-inch wreath. I went to the Dollar Tree and tried to find some type of cute ornament that I thought would match with the actual fabric itself. And I found these really cute Christmas boxes that are 2 different colors. They came individual. And what I did is I just put a little bit of hot glue on the back of the box and just glued it down on the fabric. And I wanted something different instead of just doing the rag wreath. You guys can totally do that. But I kind of wanted something with the Christmas boxes that I found at Dollar Tree. But I will show it to you now. I just gotta put this one together. But this is what it looks like. Isn't it like so cute? I just love it. But I hope you guys like it and enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or if you're interested in seeing me do another rag wreath with different fabrics, just let me know. I'll link again which fabric strips I got, where I got them, how much they were, and then just kind of give you all the measurements that I did. Again, thank you guys so much for watching and hanging out with me today. If you're not already and you'd like to be, please subscribe. Also give this video a big thumbs up. Also make sure that you hit the notification bar so you know when I upload a new video. As always, I love you guys and I'm super excited to be back and doing videos for you guys. Talk to you soon.